Finally, here. Make sure you put all that trash up. All right.
Hey.
Maybe I can do one of these. I have the little containers for it. All you gotta do is pour it in there.
Go very quick. I'll tighten it, mother. That's it. Now, go first before you check. Oh, Lord have mercy.
You love it? Woo! Everything.